Hey guys, today we're gonna see how to make a nether portal. So now let us see how to make some obsidian. So I've already got it here. I'm gonna show you the recipe. So what you wanna do is you just want to, so I'm just gonna mine all of this stuff. Now you wanna leave one block, just like that. So, and you need a pit. So, 2 blocks deep, 1 block left. What you want to do, you want to take lava and just put it around. And then give it some time. And then you're just going to take some water and put it on top. And then some of it will become obsidian. That's what you want. Okay? So now we have made obsidian, but we can only mine obsidian with a diamond pickaxe. So I'm just going to change my game mode to survival. And survival. There you go. Okay, so now you want a diamond pick, and you're just going to mine the obsidian. It might take some time, but that is very okay. Boom, and you've got yourself some obsidian. Now let's see how to make an obsidian portal, also known as the nether portal. So, you want to start by making 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Then, what you want to do, you want to go, so you just want to place it once, twice, 3 times. And then you're going to do that on the other side. There you go. And then you're just going to build a cross. There you go. Now, what you want to do is you just want flint and steel, and you want to light it. And there's your nether portal. And then let's travel inside. And if you jump, it's not working. Okay? So, you just saw how to make a nether portal. Okay? See you.